Hello friends, I am going to discuss about the batch costing for CMA intern. Batch costing, in the case of batch costing, you have to calculate economic batch quantity. Economic batch quantity means what should be the batch quantity for the production of the product, so that our setup cost and carrying cost per unit per year should be minimum at any production batch lot. Okay, please read the questions here and you will find the answers for this. In batch costing, this is the formula for the batch costing. This is the EBQ means economic batch quantity. A means annual demand, S means setup cost per batch, C is the carrying cost per unit per annum. Setup cost means you will understand when you will make a wedding card. Suppose you are going to make for the invitation card, then press that your machine man said in the that what press where your card is made, that will find the what is the quantity, at which quantity if I will produce the invitation card, then cost will be the minimum. Okay, in that is we have to calculate it. In this is exactly the same as economic order quantity, EOQ. Economic order quantity I have taught already in material costing, the 2AO oblique C. 2AO oblique C. What is the this? A is the annual demand of the product. Annual demand of raw material. This is the for raw material. And BO means ordering cost per order. C means carrying cost per unit per annum. So this is just a difference between the, this is a economic order quantity, this is for raw material, raw material requirement. This is for production of product, this is a production batch in what lot size if you produce the product, so that it will be economic in setup of the machine as well as carrying cost per unit per year. Setup cost is always calculated per setup. Okay, per batch, per setup. And this is a carrying cost per unit per annum. I thought let's go to do these questions. This is the annual production unit of any product. That, look at, from the following information calculate economic batch quantity using this. In this case, this is your A, setting cost, this is your S, and manufacturing cost per unit is given here. And carrying cost per unit is given 6%. In this case, we have to calculate C. The C is 6% of 200. This will be rupees 12. By using the formula of this, you can calculate the economic batch quantity. Calculation of economic batch quantity. This is exactly the raw material. This is economic order quantity. This is EBQ, root under 2AS divided by C. Okay, divided by 2400 into 100 divided by 12. This is 40,000 this is 200. It means 200 economic batch quantity means if your production, if you produce 200 lot of batch, then it will be the minimum cost of setup as well as carrying cost, as well as economic batch. In economic batch quantity, carrying cost and setup cost is always equal. This is the total concept is based on the EOQ, which I have explained in material costing. Okay, thank you class. Please like, subscribe and share my videos.